and I live at so on so Russia. And hello, Los Angeles. Why are you covering my mouth? I do not. She smiles. No, she smiles. She had Puerto Rican years.
Oh,
I have a boyfriend. He's not Puerto Rican.
No.
No? What are you?
Yes.
It's really weird. You don't even like this.
Yeah, we all do. Yes, sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm not correcting my knuckles and toes. Why do they want us to do that?
That is.
Yeah, it's okay.
My name is Kendall. Yeah, we are. All of us. No, Dad. Stop asking that question. I need to get a picture of my eyes. I did. Can we go make a cake later?
It's like, yeah. Yeah.
We're going to make a cake. Adios, it's all the way down.
Blah, 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 blah. Oh, I know, I just like cooking this.
You need a
Kind of
haircut?
fun.
Who needs a haircut?
What?
I bet I do.
I bet I do. I'm not getting one now. Is it me? I'm not getting one.
It's me.
You don't need a haircut.
I guess.
I don't have friends, but I'm kind of a girl.
All of you. What do
Hey,
you want us to do?
Blackberry?
Shave our heads? They're like 3 inches
I wouldn't
long.
be talking. You probably look so ugly. I
Okay,
bet you're ugly as a cat.
well, we're going to make a cake. So have a wonderful evening.
Go shave your head.
Yes, we have Twitter.
Yes, we have Twitter.
Good luck finding us.
Yes, we have Twitter.
Good luck.
Have fun on that mighty journey. On that journey.
Mine is twitter.com/MileyCyrus.
My muscle.
Mine is twitter.com/Taylor Swift 13.
Did you give your real one?
I didn't know that you.
God, you're dumb.
I'm fine. And hers is Sal Gomez. No one cares.
I know. I dare you. 1, 2, 3. What? I know.
LMAO. Thanks. Okay, well, we're going to make a cake now. So have a wonderful day.
Fun. I love this.
And a wonderful evening. And we'll probably be back after we make our cake. It's a funfetti cake.
Wait, watch this.
Please don't. No, he wants to. Yeah.
I'm wearing pants. Okay, well, let's see what it looks like. Watch this.
She's dummy.
But that was the point, because I'm wearing pants. That was a nice try, though. See? Told ya.
Victory.
That's really embarrassing.
Oh.
Saudi Arabia.
How much is the banana sugar? Rose, can you take her to Saudi today? One, two. Oh, I'm really pretty. I'm sorry. I'm so pretty.